So when you say the system is going to collapse, just for the audience, what does that actually mean?
The banks will stop functioning because they'll lose. In 2008, they lost trust in each other. They stopped lending each other. And then the system grinds to a halt if the banks don't trust each other. So what will happen is there'll be some realization that the banks are underwater. They are. The banks, if you really look at their assets because of the increase in interest rates, if you market to market, which means you actually say what is the value of their portfolios, they're underwater. Banks are in trouble. Once there's a realization, they realize each of the other banks is actually insolvent.
So it becomes like a credit crunch.
Yeah. We don't trust you. We don't trust you anymore. Therefore, we can't lend money to another bank because they don't trust the other bank's portfolio. They think the other bank's in trouble. And then but I think that's going to be much bigger than 2008. I think this time it's going to be international. So there will be a collapse in 1 or 2 or 3 banks, and then they'll all stop lending each other. And because of the international dimension, HSBCs all over the world, and the whole system will collapse. The system will grind to a halt. Literally, the whole fiat currency system, i.e., the whole system of bank accounts and money being in bank accounts will collapse. People will not be able to use the money in their bank accounts. Fundamental principle of creating money, which you said it yourself, Harry, that's what it is. It's fundamentally flawed. It's a fork that happened a long time ago that we haven't realized. When you had the link to the gold standard, which is via the dollar, there was an element of control. So everything was linked to the dollar, and the dollar was linked to gold. So therefore, it didn't erupt until post-71. But once Nixon broke the link with the gold standard, that was completely loose. And since then, it's completely out of control. Nobody knows how much money is being created. It's completely out of control. And fundamentally, money is worthless because so much of it is being created. So once that's recognized, and the system will collapse. And that's when I think the opportunity comes to go back to basics and work out what the fork was, what the mistake was. And the mistake was fetching a reserve bank